one question from your date of birth. What are the importance of 1986 in terms of education?
Sir, in the year 1986, National Education Policy was framed by the Government of India. It was in fact second National Education Policy, and thereafter some amendments were made in the year 1992, and thereafter recently central
Please,
government has
loud. Speak loud. Yeah.
recently central government has released latest National Education Policy.
So, what are the basic differences between 1986 education policy of 1986 and 2020?
Sir, 1986 National Education Policy described the primary education, primary, secondary and higher secondary education in terms of 10+2 system, whereas latest National Education Policy describes 5+3+3+4 pattern of.
So there are some structural changes. You are seeing
Yes, sir.
structural changes. Okay. And any other differences?
Sir, there are many differences between both the policies. Like earlier, it was mainly directed at brick and mortar system of education, but latest National Education Policy talks about online pattern of education also. The central government wishes to encourage online pattern of education, and
Okay, fine. What's your view on SC/ST Atrocities Acts?
Sir, SC/ST Atrocities Act was brought.
Are you comfortable in Hindi? No?
No, sir, I am comfortable in both Hindi or
Okay.
English.
Okay.
Sir, SC/ST Atrocities Act was brought about by the central government in the year 1989, though I am not sure about the date. It was necessitated by the prevailing situation in Indian society. We know that Indian society is divided into many parts on the basis of caste, religion, etc. But the division that is found in the Indian society on the basis of caste. At that time, there was a prevalence of many caste-based atrocities towards the people belonging to the scheduled caste society. And there were other.
Few
there
days
were-
back, National Crime Bureau has reported that
Yes, sir.
within 2 years, atrocities on SC/ST was increased. What
Yes.
was the reason? What the how do you think about this?
Sir, in fact, I think that the crime against SC/ST people have not increased. But the reason,
Listen, data was submitted by
Yes, sir.
2 days back. The National Crime Bureau has submitted data
yes,
to 7% and 26% crime was increased from 90 to 2020
yes, sir.
within 2 years.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
So the reason, I think that the reason is that the people are becoming more and more aware about it, and they are more encouraged to move to the police station and register their FIR. So we know through the NCRB data, we come to know about various data that are registered in the police station. So I think that the number has increased due to the fact that people have become more and more aware about it, and they are registering in more and more number. Therefore, it has
Means
increased.
like in real sense there are higher than the registered what we have registered in NCB.
Yes, sir. What the number released by NCRB says, I think that the actual number is more than 8. Since there are many SC/ST atrocities that go unregistered.
What should government do for down the atrocity against SC and ST?
So government of India as well as government of Bihar are doing many more things so as to bring about the number of atrocities against the people belonging to SC/ST category. More than that, government can do. Government can run more and more awareness campaign among the Indian society so as to bring about awareness about equality of the people uh, and uh, and more and more stress should be put upon the implementation part since SC/ST Atrocities Act was made by the central government long before today, but it is the implementation part that matters more. So I think that implementation is something that should be stressed upon.
Manoj, you have done graduation with the history subject.
Yes, sir.
From which university?
Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Muzaffarpur.
Muzaffarpur. Very good. And opt as a optional paper history.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the second urbanization. Have you gone through it or not?
So I have not gone through it.
Second urbanization, but first urbanization.
Sir,
Have you gone the Indus Valleys?
Sir, I am not able to recall it. I have not gone through it.
What is Renaissance?
Okay, Renaissance. Sir, Renaissance was a sort of awareness, a sort of enlightenment that was brought about in the European society in 16th, 17th century. I'm not sure about the date.
What is the reason behind it that the painting of Mona Lisa
Yes, sir.
become very, very popular in the world? Why? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, the special feature attached with the painting of Mona Lisa is that it is said that
There are so many paintings which is more better than
Yes, sir.
in respect of that Mona Lisa, but it is most popular in the world. Why? What is the reason behind it? Let me know this.
Sir, it is said that whomsoever sees the portrait of Mona Lisa, the mood of that person
no.
gets
Have you
reflected.
gone through the Dark Age
Yes, sir.
in the world history?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dark Age.
Yes, sir.
But the Civil War of the America, tell me about.
Sir, Civil War of America was based upon the fact that sorry, sir. So the reason behind the Civil War that broke in the in American society was that American society consisted of blacks and whites, and especially in the southern part of America, the white people were mostly landlords, and they were involved in planting activities, and they had enslaved the black people so as to work on their fields. So white people in the northern part, they were mostly in favor of giving human rights to the black people. So it was in fact a conflict of ideology between a section of white people and another section of white people that lived in different that is northern and southern part. So it was based upon racial.
What
lines.
are the legacy of the French revolutions?
So legacy of French Revolution lies in three words.
Yes, tell me.
Equality, fraternity, and liberty.
Are you agree with this very fact that Sher Shah was the forerunner of Akbar or not?
Yes, sir. To a great extent, he was a forerunner to
How? Cited some sort of the example.
Sir, there were many policies that were adopted by Akbar. Those policies were based upon the policies that had been adopted by Sher Shah before him, like the very famous
Land revenue system.
Todarmal, who was one of the Navratnas of Akbar. Todarmal had already worked under Sher Shah, and he had framed a very good land revenue policy under
So
Sher Shah.
which is the mandal which narrate about the education system in the Vedic age, especially Vedic age?
Sorry, sir.
which the mandal
Okay.
narrated about the education system in the primitive period.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
In which country Renaissance started?
Sir, Renaissance started in Italy.
And can you tell how many seats are reserved for SC and ST in Lok Sabha seats?
Sir, in Lok Sabha seat, it is 60.
16 in whole
No, not 16, 60. Sir, I'm not sure about it.
for SC
Yes, sir.
and ST
Sir,
and Rajya Sabha?
Rajya Sabha, no seat.
No, yeah, that's one.
Ajay, you are from East Champaran.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
What is the basic problem lies in East Champaran?
Sir, basic problems that lie in East Champaran district. These problems are mostly the problems of the all over Bihar, but there are some specific problems that lie in East Champaran.
Just I want to know the specific problem.
Yes, sir. One problem that lies in East Champaran is flooding. Secondly, unemployment is a major factor in it.
It is a country of
Yes, sir, it is a problem of the whole country.
ठीक है, very good. कब है interview?
Sir, 10.